Alright, today on Purpose Projects, I'm going to show you all how to clean your nasty carpet and seats with inexpensive materials that you probably have at the house. And if not, it'll save you money from having to buy 25 cans of Tough Stuff to clean your carpet. So everything's pretty inexpensive. First thing all you need is a $500 pressure washer. You need your favorite dish soap, not to be confused with dishwashing liquid. So not to be confused with dishwashing liquid, even though some of these say this. If you put this in your dishwasher, you're going to clean your entire kitchen with soap bubbles. Ask me how I know. Pick your favorite scent. You need some baking soda pop. You need hot water, white distilled vinegar, and a Lowe's bucket because you want to do it right, a drill brush, and a battery. All right. So I didn't read the instructions, but I'm pretty sure you do 1 part gallon of vinegar to 1 part hot water, and then dishwashing soap you just kind of have to feel what you use, kind of like how old people cook. You just got to feel it in your bones, and then pour that liberally over all your nasty areas, and then sprinkle the baking soda on there, and it's supposed to do something. So we're going to mix this up and see if it works. So white vinegar. Ugh. Get that in here. The lid was defective. All right, gallon of hot water. Make sure you do this on a cold, windy day. Now, if you're doing this with the carpet inside your vehicle, don't do like I'm going to do it, because it's never going to dry. And especially don't pressure wash on the inside of your vehicle unless you just like to party. We're going to go with 7.5 ounces of this. Yeah. Mix that up with your stir stick here. Now, this carpet's pretty bad, so I'm gonna feed it more water than it's ever had in its life, but you don't have to use as much. But this carpet's already been out in the rain for 3 days, so, and I'm gonna pressure wash it, so it doesn't really matter. Just get it in here. Let it really soak in. These lids are on there. Made this one a lot more soapy. Now, when you're working with water, make sure you have electrical connection underneath for safety, because it'll help clean better. Let that soak in a minute. Sprinkle this on there and make one huge mess. That's probably gonna make the carpet worse, but it's what Google said. Can I use most of this?
You can have all of it.
All right, now, whoa. Now make sure you do this on a windy day. It's sizzling. relaxation for the back seat. So you want that to soak in a little bit before you use the drill brush, because if not, you're going to end up wearing most. All right. So once it's soaked in, get your drill brush. You want to agitate all this into the fabric. So we're going to see if this will lift any stains. See that yumminess? That means it worked. Now, if you do this inside your vehicle, I would probably put it in a spray bottle and then use a little bit at a time. That way you don't create more of a mess. But since I'm going to pressure wash, it doesn't matter. I have good weather to let this stuff dry before I paint it, so.